Hi, it's Miss Peppers! Okay, so I got requested by a few fans to redo the sneezing challenge because the last sneeze challenge I did, I ended up sneezing 8 times, which is apparently bad. Some people have told me that, people can sneeze 8 times within like a minute, so I'm just like, okay. So I got requested to sneeze again, but with this gum wrapper that I made out of my gum. So I'm going to start the 5 minutes. Wait, maybe I should just stick it in my nose before I start it. Hold on. Wait. Start. Okay. Well, it's not doing anything. A tickle. I don't sneeze. It just tickles. So it's going back there in my nose. I'll go faster, maybe it'll help. Oh, okay. I don't feel anything, it just tickles. Maybe this should be called Tickle My Nose Challenge because it's not doing nothing. I don't even feel like my sinus is letting the sneeze out. It's like I'm itching it. So, I don't even feel it tickling anymore. It's more or less me picking my nose with a gum wrapper. Okay, wait, maybe I got a tickle spot. Maybe it might work. Okay, I gotta go work there, okay? Okay, I'm kinda getting pussy with this. Oh shit, maybe I might sneeze. No, it's that one spot. The spot where I never pluck the hairs because it hurts. It's right up the upper nose. Okay. I gotta go there. Yeah, I gotta go there. Maybe I might sneeze once. So it's been a minute, almost 2 minutes, and I haven't sneezed. It's just worse than the pepper, I knew it. Okay, maybe if I try that side on the other side of my nose. Nothing. This isn't making me want to sneeze. I don't feel it. Okay, 2 minutes now. No sneezes. And the last challenge, the pepper challenge that I did, the pepper sneeze challenge I did the last time, I probably sneezed like 4 times in like 2 minutes. Okay, it's that spot. I gotta get that one spot. Come on, let me at least sneeze once. I'm going really fast too. Hold on. I'm gonna try the other side. Okay, let's see. I don't even feel congested. No, I'm getting used to it. It's just me basically sticking my finger in my nose and plucking out the boogers, which I used to do when I was like 5. So for all y'all viewers, I believe in the pick and flick. I feel that if you have something stuck in your nose that you should pick it out. Yes, I do that actually, I'm not gonna lie. I do the pick. No, nothing. It's been over 3 minutes and I haven't sneezed once. This is seriously not doing anything. If anything, it's making my nose feel amazing. It is like a back massage in my nose. Nothing is happening. This is nice. I like this. Come on, let me sneeze once for the fans. At least once. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna go really fast. Like I'm trying to, make a man come. Make it really fast. You like it fast. Oh yeah. Oh, it's been 4 minutes now. I have less than a minute, and I have not sneezed. Wow. This is probably the worst sneeze challenge ever. Because you know what? I don't even feel like I have to sneeze. Come on. Come on. Nothing. You're going really fast. Oh, you kind of went out of my nose. Anything? Okay. So basically my 5 minutes is almost over and I haven't sneezed. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nothing. Hold on. Wait, the other side. That just burnt. Yeah. Oh! My 5 minutes is done. 5 minutes done. No sneezes. I just can't sneeze. Anyway, thank you for watching my failure of a sneeze challenge. Sneeze no times. Like, such a fail. Anyway, you gotta like, you gotta subscribe, and you gotta comment down below. If you have any challenges, any game requests, or any requests that you want me to do, you gotta comment that also down below too. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.